continue in court now. The end of the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial within a trial is in sight as the main trial moves to the next phase. The defense closed its case against, or rather after Bongani Ntanzi's grueling testimony. The accused number 2 has been on the witness stand testifying against the admission of 2 confession statements that he allegedly deposed back in 2020. The trial within a trial has been postponed to the 4th of March for arguments which will be followed by a judgment. My colleague Mnisi filed this report.
After a grueling 7 days on the stand, Bongani Ntanzi finally swings back to the accused dock. He ended his testimony by reiterating that although he fired his disputed lawyer Ntokozo Mjiako, he never even paid him and wanted to know who had appointed him.
Did you personally, financially instruct Mr. Mjiako to appear on your behalf? Did Mjiako Attorneys Incorporated or Mr. Mjiako himself issue a letter of demand for the legal fees that they say you owe them?
Ntanzi also reiterated that he never told the lead investigator in the case, Brigadier Bongani Ntanzi, that he wanted to confess.
Now, regarding the statement that you signed, or the document, let me not say the statement, the document that you signed at the magistrate in Boksburg on the 24th of June 2024, did you sign that document voluntarily and freely? Now, regarding the events of the 24th of June 2020, after the events at the magistrate where you were taken at the industrial site, it was put to you that those events at the industrial site of Park where you were forced to sign and blood spilled on some of the pages of that document, it's a fabrication.
Through his testimony, Ntanzi repeatedly distanced himself from the confession statement, claiming he was assaulted and forced to sign. The state said he fabricated and altered his version as it turned up the heat during cross-examination.
And furthermore, regarding the financial inducement that you testified about, the 3 million offered to you by Brigadier Gininda, it was put to you that that's a blatant lie.
The next phase involves arguments for and against the admission of these confession statements. Both legal teams will file heads of arguments in support of their case and why the judge should rule in their favor. Oral arguments will take place on the 4th of March, with the judgment expected thereafter. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.